Old heating, ventilation, and air conditioning parts should never be left exposed in the rain. When handling old equipment parts in wet conditions, focus first on safety and moisture control. Remove batteries and any detachable electronic modules and place them in sealable plastic bags to keep water out. Keep parts off the ground by setting them on a dry pallet, a folded tarp, or inside their original box until you are ready to install or dispose of them. Use insulated gloves rated for electrical work to protect against shocks if a component still holds a charge, and pair those gloves with non-slip footwear to reduce fall risk on wet surfaces. Carry small components in a waterproof tote or organizer so they do not get dropped in puddles while you move around the site. When you must work outside in light rain, pause tasks that require live testing and wait for dry conditions, or move testing under a canopy or inside a dry work vehicle. After exposure to moisture, allow parts to air dry completely or use a low heat source set to a safe temperature and follow manufacturer guidance before reconnecting to power. The most common mistakes are setting parts down in puddles, which corrodes contacts and creates a conductive path, leaving components unprotected in rain, which lets water wick into insulation and sensors, and handling parts without insulated gloves, which risks electric shock. To prevent puddle damage, do not place anything on wet ground. Instead, use a raised platform or keep items in their box until use. To stop internal moisture, ingress store components in sealed bags and bring them into a dry vehicle or shelter for inspection and drying. To reduce shock and slip hazards, always wear insulated gloves and non-slip shoes, and avoid testing live equipment until everything is fully dry and you have verified power is disconnected. BigHomeProjects.com helps homeowners find trusted local contractors by connecting people who need work with those who do it, and we also help contractors find jobs in their area. We host a discussion community where homeowners and professionals exchange tips about safe handling of equipment and real-world field practices.